Start stop switch.
Okay. Lift up on this frame.
Yep.
Nope, no screws in this thing. Hopefully I got them in the back. Sorry. 220s.
And your model?
17 Tiguan.
What years is this the same for, you think?
14, 15. A bunch. Pop that whole piece of trim out.
You're just popping that one out and putting the new one in?
Yeah, you just got the hardest part's unplugging it blindly. Of course, it plugs in at a right angle.
It's kind of stupid.
It probably keeps it from just popping out.
I feel like I would keep one of those in the car with me as the backup.
Snap it back together.
Now, do you got to reprogram anything?
Nope.
Really?
Nope, that's it.
Oh, I would definitely carry a spare then. I feel like these go more than the ignition.
These do go bad pretty often. Get this guy back in the frame here. Lock it down. Good to go.
First startup. There we go, 2017, Tiguan, first startup.